Hello guys, I've been told to talk about the importance of metallized polyester and matte paint, what it is. And to tell you a brief history that anything is necessity of the mother of invention. This type of substrate is printed with a gravure, and we would like to print this through an offset to create something like this with a brilliance of metallized effect. So initially the paperboard was laminated with metal foil, aluminum foil, which is like a home foil we use. It was laminated and then printed. But then this is an expensive proposition. The developers, the people who worked on this, worked on the substrate called polyester. Polyester is popularly used in gravure printing or non-printed matters, but this has been metallized by an aluminum vapor, a process on metallization to create something like this. And this is metallized. This is metallized. Look very similar to the metal foil, the actual aluminum foil. And this is laminated on this board to create something like this. Now, this looks like an aluminum foil, but it is actually a metallized polyester laminated on paperboard. This is an economical solution to take the brilliance of printing or the glaze or metallic finish we wanted. And because it is metallized, most of the time it is the metallization part is sandwiched between the lamination, and it has been only the polyester side which is used for the printing. So actually offset printing is done on the polyester side, not on the metallized side, and therefore it is important to understand this substrate, treat this substrate properly to be able to use the writing on the polyester side of the substrate. Therefore the treatment is needed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Clear? Babun